India has a rich historic tradition of inland waterways transport system for the movement of goods and people using network of perennial rivers. This tradition of robust inland water transport system started declining with the arrival of railways in 19th century. The mighty Brahmaputra was no exception. Even today, this river holds immense potential to change the face of entire area economically. Using rivers for heavy goods is much cheaper than the use of trains or roadways. It is even less polluting and contaminating. The 891-kilometer stretch Sadiya in Assam to Dhubri in Indo-Bangladesh border was declared as the National Waterway-It in 1988. The National Waterway-It will not only connect the northeastern region with Haldia and Kolkata ports through protocol route of Bangladesh by overcoming the most difficult and treacherous road link, but will help the entire region with massive economic activity. Northeastern India is strategically located and offers huge opportunity of trade with the vast markets of Myanmar, China, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, Bangladesh and other East Asian countries. The region has natural gas reserves of 190 billion cubic meters, coal reserves of over 900 million tons and oil reserves of over 500 million tons, large limestone reserves of around 5,000 million tons and a forest cover that is 25% of the country's forest area. And the National Waterway-It could become the lifeline of the entire area in connecting these resources to the national and international market. The 891-kilometer long entire channel has been marked with day navigation marks. The Inland Waterways Authority has installed solar-operated night navigational facilities between Bangladesh border and Silkhat, which is the last port of call on the protocol route connecting Assam with Kolkata and Haldia. State-of-the-art DGPS stations are provided at 4 locations: Dhubri, Jogighopa, Bishwanath Ghat and Dibrugarh for safe navigation of vessels with electronic charts. DGPS will enable barge operators and cargo owners to track their vessels, locate berths in advance in terminals and better plan their logistics. Pandu has been developed as a multimodal inland water transport terminal equipped with numerous cargo handling facilities like transit sheds, open space, hard stands and many more. Rupees 100 crore has been invested for construction of low-level RCC jetty along with a high-level RCC jetty for round-the-year loading and unloading of cargo and railway BG siding. The first ever dry docking repair facility of the vessels in northeastern region is set to come up in Pandu. Presently, the vessels in this region are ferried to Kolkata for dry docking repair. The Inland Waterways Authority is providing floating terminals at various locations like Hatsingimari, Dhubri, Jogighopa, Pandu, Tezpur, Silkhat, Biswanath Ghat, Niyamati, Singajan, Bogibil, Saikhova, Dibrugarh, Orium Ghat and Sadiya to facilitate movement of cargo. A permanent ro-ro terminal at Dhubri has been constructed by investing 46.69 crore rupees. A temporary ro-ro service between Dhubri and Hatsingimari has been started. Ro-ro service provides direct link between Assam and Meghalaya states, avoiding circuitous road route of 220 kilometers. Ro-ro terminals are also proposed at Hatsingimari, Niyamati Kamalabari and Maijan, Dibrugarh to Singajan. IWAI has already signed an MOU with Central Rail Side Warehouse Company Limited for operations and maintenance of port assets and to promote the commercial use of National Waterway-It for handling, storage and transportation of cargo. Operators have already started cruise tourism on National Waterway-It, and this would connect the other tourism hotspots of the region: wildlife sanctuaries, adventure tourism, ecotourism, hill stations, lakes and historic monuments. National Waterway-It has all the ingredients to become the backbone of trading in this region.
As India welcomes a new era of growth and prosperity through the launch of technologically innovative projects, the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor brings into focus key investment areas in Maharashtra. Known to be the gateway of tourism, Aurangabad is also known for its strong industrial base. The traditional weaving industry, together with a prevailing culture of entrepreneurship, has enabled an industrial economy to flourish in Aurangabad, making it an important industrial center in Maharashtra. The growth is backed by a technical workforce trained at local institutions. The ecosystem created by the confluence of skills, knowledge base and infrastructure paves the way for a new initiative and positions the city for its next chapter of industrial growth. Aurangabad Industrial Township Limited, that is AITL, a partnership between two strong pillars, the DMICDC and MIDC, introduces Auric, one of the first smart and sustainable industrial cities in Maharashtra and in the country. Located at Shendra and Bidkin, Auric is being developed over an area of 10,000 acres. Besides a rail and highway network that connects the site, Auric is only 8 minutes away from the Aurangabad airport and provides direct flight connections to Mumbai, Delhi and other destinations. The Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust's proposed dry port and container terminal at Jalna is not far from Auric. It will give industries at Auric easy access to India's largest port at JNPT. Auric is planned with the idea of integrating city infrastructure with information and communication technology. This will optimize the use of resources, land, water and energy, reduce impacts on the environment and enhance livability, thus making Auric a globally competitive investment destination. Auric will be serviced with a reliable infrastructure, making it the most preferred destination for a range of industries. It will be one of the first cities in India to provide an underground electrical cable network for industrial use. This will ensure high quality, cost-effective, reliable and stable power supply, an essential component for precision manufacturing. In its planning of infrastructure, Auric has adopted sustainable water management practices which focus on water conservation and recycling of water for industrial use through state-of-the-art central effluent treatment plants and sewage treatment facilities. The smart industrial city provides ample choice for investment in industrial properties of various sizes. It has a well-designed, intelligent transportation system to complement the scale of development that provides rail and road choices for movement of goods and freight. The city is designed with public transit, bicycle facilities, trails and walkable streets. The range of mobility choices would take people to their places of work, home and recreation. Auric's green infrastructure is made of open spaces, parks, natural ponds and streams that weave through the city, connecting its residential neighborhoods. A substantial area of Auric is reserved for housing, offering various options for families and individuals. Neighborhoods will be connected with public Wi-Fi network and residents will enjoy an exceptional quality of life through the provision of schools, hospitals, shopping, lifestyle spaces and other family-friendly amenities. AITL will manage Auric as an independent industrial city. It will leverage its information and communications technology backbone to implement an efficient urban management and e-governance system. The city's centralized command and control facility will monitor and maintain city-wide utilities to help achieve operational efficiency across all infrastructure networks. AURIC will be a breakthrough in Maharashtra's continuous endeavour at extraordinary industrial development. As the city comes alive, come become a part of this vision to create a bustling new vibrant community to live, work and play. AURIC welcomes you and invites you to embark on this journey together towards prosperity and growth.
Mumbai, one of the world's top financial centers, at present is heavily constrained in its airport infrastructure. To cope with future demands, the government has proposed a second airport in Navi, Mumbai and appointed City and Industrial Development Corporation, CIDCO, for its implementation. CIDCO, building the future, enriching the present is our work ethos. Raring to take on mega projects in infrastructure, transforming land into life. The Navi Mumbai International Airport is located at Kopar near Panvel. The airport is planned with 2 parallel runways, 3.7 kilometers in length and 60 meters wide, along with end-to-end full-length taxiways and rapid exits. Efficiently designed terminal building along with concourses are in H-shaped concept. The terminal building works as a central processing unit to the 2 concourses, each 1.3 kilometers long, located on either side, connected to the terminal building by bridges. There will be 81 contact gates and 29 remote parking stands for passenger aircraft. The 100-meter tall iconic ATC tower is located at the north of the terminal building. The NMIA is compliant with ICAO Aerodrome Code 4F to handle super jumbo jets like the A380 and B7478. On the way to the terminal, there's an innovative interchange loop for service road traffic, followed by the taxiway bridge. The metro enters the terminal building at the apron level. An outbound passenger will alight at the departure level of the terminal building and passing via the vestibule entrance gates will enter the main departure hall. Once checked in, the passenger will climb down one level to move either to the international or the domestic concourse. The connecting bridge will lead to the respective concourses. To access the boarding gate, the passenger descends one level and arrives at the grand double height holding areas and the privilege lounges, awaiting the final call for boarding. At NMIA, the airside facilities and movement of aircrafts are planned to be smooth and efficient. Located approximately 40 kilometers from the existing Mumbai airport, 47 kilometers from South Mumbai, and about 45 kilometers from the western suburbs, the Navi Mumbai International Airport will be provided with enhanced connectivity, ensuring easy and quick access. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, one of the biggest infrastructure projects proposed in MMR, spans 22 kilometers across the open sea, connecting south and central Mumbai to the airport, making it possible to reach NMIA within 30 minutes. The NHAI, along with JNPT and CIDCO, is actively working on capacity augmentation of NH4B, Amramarg and SH54. The work on widening of the Sion-Panvel highway to 10 lanes plus service roads is already underway. A multi-modal corridor project, an 8-lane road with a metro along the central verge from Virar to Alibag with a connection to NMIA is proposed. The implementation of the proposed metro corridors are all on fast track. To add to this is the grand plan of activating the potential of passenger water transport connecting Mumbai Island to Navi Mumbai. NMIA, the mega project, is being built on a public-private partnership model, with the private sector holding 74% equity in the proposed special purpose vehicle. The balance being held by the Government of Maharashtra through CIDCO and the Airports Authority of India.
Post your comments below, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and follow us on social networks and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching. This is WC Daily. Think big, think different. Bye.